TOXXIC Rides back at you again with another review. This time we're going to be reviewing the DSR Pro Series charger by Schumacher. This is the 4-bank right here. Just picked it up. I'm going to leave a link in the description if you want to purchase it at the review. But we're going to go over the little features that we have on this charger, because if you're into these cars, you got lawnmowers sitting around, old schools that's been sitting, it's almost time to start them up. And most of them, your batteries are going to be dead. This is what you need right here. Let's get into a review. Hit the intro. TOXXIC Rides. Now, out the box, my first impression is that it's really small. It's a really solid piece of machinery. There you go, the handle, plastic handle, but the grip is very solid on it. You feel like you can move it around and take it wherever you need to take it to. A little demo of me lifting it up. Feels good in the hand. Very capable to move. It also comes with mounting brackets, 2 to be exact, made of steel. Very, very solid. You can see me right here. I'm going to show you how good they can mount up once you place it together. So the holes line up very good. Very, very good. You're not going to have no issues with that at all. Also, you get 4 6-foot detachable cables that hold 75 amps with color-coded clamps, which is perfect. And now right here, you can see the ports that the cables go into, and they're made really flush, really solid. And you see me take this right here, and once you plug that into the bank that you want to plug it into, it's a very snug fit. Once you put it in there like that, then you can feel that it's very solid. Now let's go ahead and turn it on. As you can see, with this 4-bank charger, each bank is fully automatic and controlled with a microprocessor, which means you can control 4 different batteries at the same time. Right here, you can cycle between the batteries that you have. So if you have a standard, AGM, lithium, once you plug up the battery, you just actually turn it on which one you have. And you can do that for each individual bank for all 4 banks. Then right here, you have your percentage, your amps, and your volts, which you can cycle through on each battery. Then you also have your button right here, which is your 12 volts or your 6-volt battery. So that's perfect to get everything that you need on the battery that you have to make sure that you cycle it the way that it needs to be cycled. Now, right here is another thing I like, the big start and stop button. Hit it once for on, hit it twice for off, and then it just rinse and repeat. Another great thing about this charger is it has safe start, reverse polarity, and short circuit protection, which means the charger will not apply current to the battery clamps until they are properly connected. And it also has overcharge protection, which will ensure that the charger will not overcharge your batteries. And as you can see here, it comes with a heavy-duty steel case for durability and cooling fans for dependability and peak performance. So no more overheating on your battery chargers. Now, I think for the price, this is a charger that you really need to get for your cars, your lowriders, or whatever. So I'm going to stand on this one because this is a good one. I've been using it for about 5 years. Never had an issue. It was just time to pick up a brand new one. Now, I will leave a link in the description for this one and also for the 8-bank chargers. Some people like the big ones. I'm just going to leave a link in the description for that too. But other than that, hit that like and subscribe button. I'll be coming back with more reviews. Check me out. TOXXIC Rides. We out.